Next in C, we are going to work with pointers. First of all, see what is a pointer. So pointers are the variables which is used to access the memory location where the data is stored. With the help of pointer, we can even access and manipulate data stored at some location in memory. So to declare a pointer, we have to write data type, then asterisk, and then variable name. This data type can be integer, character, float, double, and all. Asterisk and variable name. For example, integer asterisk ptr. Integer is the data type, asterisk, and ptr is the name of pointer variable. So to initialize a pointer, we have to declare integer variable and we are assigning 10 to that variable. Integer a equals to 10. Then we have declared pointer variable. So integer asterisk p. Now p equals to address of a. That means p is capable of holding address of a. This operator ampersand operator is address of operator. Now we will see how it is working diagrammatically. Integer a equals to 10. So whatever variable we declare is going to occupy some space and some location or address in memory. So here it's a a is a data is a variable of type int, and it is stored at, suppose it is stored at 1000 address in memory. A, its value is 10 and it is stored at 1000 address. Here we have declared pointer variable p. So even though it is a pointer variable, it is going to occupy some space and will be stored at some location in memory. Suppose it is stored at 2000 addresses memory. Now p equals to address of a. That means p will be, this pointer variable will be holding address of a. Address of a is 1000. So it will hold 1000 as address of a. So 1000 will be stored in p. Next, we'll see how can we work with pointers in our program. In this program, we are going to see how to print address of a variable. So hash include stdio.h, then int main. Here we are declaring integer variable integer I and assigning value 10 to it. And here first of all we'll print the value of I. Printf percentage d, or we can say value of I equals to percentage d, and comma, here we'll be writing I. This is going to print value of I, that is 10. Now we have to print the address where this I is stored in memory. So for that, print f, within double quotes we can write any message. I'm writing address of I equals to address of I equals to percentage t, and here comma ampersand I. It is going to give you address of this I in memory. Then return 0. Save the program into 1.c and build it, then run it. First of all, we'll give backslash n here. Save it, build it, and then run it. So value of I is 10 and it is stored at address 64222044. Similarly, if we here declare one pointer variable integer asterisk p, this is a pointer variable, and here we are doing p equals to address of I, and here we are printing p. This is going to print the address of I. So whatever we are doing right now and whatever we have done previously, both are same. We can do anyway. Build it and run it. It is also going to give you address of I variable. Value of I is 10 and address of I is 64222036, something like that.